Hi guys and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Elena Fergaman. This tutorial about how to crochet Florina jumper part 2 from row 14 to row 18 included. To begin round number 14, chain 3 and turn your work. Reposition the hook and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into every stitch. Just a reminder, 3 chain stitches at the beginning of the round count as 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns. When you come to the end of the round, when you completed your last 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns, insert your hook into the third chain stitch and finish with a slip stitch. To begin round number 15, chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1, and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into second stitch from the hook, chain 4, skip 2 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 4, skip 2 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch, and once again chain 4, skip 2 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 4, skip 2 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Continue with the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after your last 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns, chain 4, skip 2 and finish with the slip stitch into double crochet UK turns, so single crochet US turns at the beginning of the round. To begin round 16, chain 6 and turn your work, or chain 3, turn your work and chain 3 again. Skip all the chain stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into the same stitch, chain 3, skip all the chain stitches and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 3 again, skip all the chain stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into the same stitch, chain 3. Continue with the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after you chain 3 last stitches, and you have to finish into a third chain stitch at the beginning of the round. To begin round number 17, chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into your second stitch from the hook, and work 3 times double treble crochet UK turns or treble crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. I'm going to show a few stitches in a slow mode. Yarn over twice around the hook back to front, into the loop, pull once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, back to front, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, back to front, and pull through our last 2 loops, yarn over twice, back to front, into the same loop, pull once, yarn over, back to front, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, back to front, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, back to front, and pull through our last 2 loops. Chain 2 and work 3 times double treble crochet UK turns or 3 times treble crochet US turns around the same 3 chain stitches. After you have completed your last stitch, skip all the chain stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into the stitch and repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after you completed your last flower and your last double treble crochet UK turns or treble crochet US turns, insert your hook into double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns and finish with the slip stitch. To begin round 18, chain 7 and turn your work, or chain 3 and turn your work, reposition the hook and chain 4. Skip all the flower stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around 2 chain stitches, chain 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns between flower stitches, chain 4 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around 2 chain stitches, chain 4 and continue with the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after your last 4 chain stitches, insert your hook into a 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of the round and finish with the slip stitch. Second part 2 of this tutorial has been completed. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to working with you on the following tutorials. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.